Hello everybody, Zachary Fruhling, aka CozyAzeroth here. I am working my way through the book 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 for a home computer. I am up to program number 32, Sentence Writer. We're going to read the description, which is not very long. We're going to get into the Classic 99 emulator, get into TI Basic from there, type in the program, run it, and see what we can make it do. Probably it will write a sentence, judging from the title. Okay, Sentence Writer, number 32. Practice your English. Exhibit your knowledge of nouns and verbs. This program leads the computer to solicit individual words from you and use those words to create sentences. Besides helping you better understand verbs, nouns, and simple declarative sentence structures, the program demonstrates the computer's ability to simulate conversation and communication. Lines 20, 30, and 40 take in the words. You may modify the program to suit your own interests or needs. Okay, this is not a very long program, right? This is just 11 lines it looks like. Let's get into Classic 99, get into TI Basic, and let's start typing. 10, call clear. 20, input a plural noun. Let's see here, a plural noun. And we're going to call that PN string. 30, input a verb. It's funny because it's not very, not very specific. There's a lot of variation on what counts as a verb, and so you might end up with wackadoodle sentence structures here if you're not careful. Okay, VB string. Okay, 40, input a singular noun. Singular noun. And we are going to call that what? SN? Yep, SN string. 50. Call clear. 60. Print. Okay, the space. Be careful here. Okay, semicolon, plural noun, string, semicolon. Okay, quote, space, quote. And we got the verb, VB string, semicolon, quote, space, quote. Now the singular noun, SN string. Okay, and semicolon and a period. Sorry, one sec. I'm gonna Etsy notification. There we go. Okay. That looks right, I believe. 70 for L equals 1 to 10. 80, print. 90, next L. This just gives us 10 extra spaces. Okay, 100, input. To do another, press enter. And we're going to call this KY string, which is just a placeholder variable in lieu of call key. I prefer call key. Okay, 110, go to 10. We're going to clear the screen, list the program, look for any obvious errors. Even though this is a short program, it's still very easy to make typos. Okay, well, let's see, a plural noun. Let's see. Foxes. Jump over the dog. Like the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Something like that. Oh, the dog. Hello. Yeah, it's funny because in line 60 we get the article the, but the singular noun doesn't use an article. So let's do the examples from the book, because we have a sample run here. Dogs love food. The dogs love food. Let's do one of our own. Cats eat tuna. The cats eat tuna. Okay, let's do the other one from the book here. Boxes hold water. The boxes hold water. So it should be more like jugs. Hold water. Or the jugs hold silicone. Can't resist. Okay, well there we go. That's how we create sentences. Let's see, the plural noun, the employees eat pizza. There we go. How about the programmers write code? There we go. Or how about the game devs program video games? There we go. How about the philosophers teach logic? Or we can do the professor. Hello. Holy typos. The professors read books. There we go. So pretty simple program. Just takes, you know, and we could actually amend the, I think it was line 60. If we wanted to add an article in there, you know, we could insert an article into line 60 if we really wanted to. The something, verb, the something. You get the idea, I believe, though. Anyways, that is program number, what was it, 32? Sentence Writer from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. Let's end on one of the examples that we just saw. Actually, let's come up with another example. I don't know. The actors shoot scenes. There you go. The actors shoot scenes. Something like that. Anyways, yeah, this was program number 32 from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner from the early 1980s. If you happen to be watching this on YouTube after the fact, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel for more 99.4a content. Retro programming, retro gaming, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming, and miscellaneous educational content on topics of interest to me personally and professionally. And if you're watching this on Twitch, same thing. Check out my YouTube channel for my archive of all the other videos I've done. And if you're watching this on YouTube, check out my Twitch channel for live streaming. In any case, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Remember to like, subscribe, especially the subscriptions. They really help me out these days in these rough and difficult times. But I'll be back soon with the next video. So I'm going to go through all 101 programs from this book. They're all very short, so it won't take me too long. But keep tuning in for future TI-99 4A videos and videos about programs from this book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. Thank you very much.